Hello and welcome to Daddy in the Kitchen, where I make tasty and healthy recipes for kids. Today we are making an amazing breakfast pancake without using refined flour, yet that's very soft and tasty. First, I'm taking half a cup of oatmeal in a mixie jar and grind this to a fine powder like this. Keep this aside. Next, in a mixing bowl, crack open one large egg. To this, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of milk, quarter cup of curd or yogurt, 2 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter. Mix and combine all this well. You need not beat this for a long time, so it just all needs to be combined well. Next, add the powdered oats, half a cup of wheat flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and mix this all well. So see, the baking soda will react with the curd and it will give a nice fluffiness to our pancake. So that's the reason why we add baking soda and curd. So mix this well so that there are no lumps, and do not over mix this, otherwise the wheat flour will start developing gluten. So just mix this well so that it's all combined nice and good. See how thick this is. So this is the consistency we want. Next, add quarter cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and mix this well. So this is ready, and this batter needs to rest for 10 minutes before we start making the pancakes. Heat a tawa or a heavy pan and apply some butter. Wipe off any excess butter. Pour about 1/4 cup of the batter in the center and slightly spread this. See, this batter will not be too thick and too thin, so slightly you need to spread it. Now this needs to cook on a medium heat, so don't be in a hurry to keep the flame on high, otherwise the bottom will get burnt easily. So always keep the flame on a medium and cook this slowly. See, it's about 1.5 minutes now. You can see some bubbles in the center, so it's time to flip now. See how neatly it is colored on the bottom as well. See, this may not look very fancy like the refined flour pancake, but this will taste very good and it is much healthier than the refined flour pancake. So let this cook for about 1 minute. Let's flip this. See how beautifully it is cooked. I'll repeat the process and make more pancakes. So this recipe will make about 5 to 6 pancakes. So you can just double the quantity in case you want more. You can have these pancakes with maple syrup, or I prefer chocolate sauce, and it'll taste great with a side of cut fruits. It'll be a nice combination. So please do try this. See how beautiful this is. Let me grab a bite. Wow, it cuts easily. See how beautifully it's cooked. Tastes amazing. It's not very sweet, slightly soft. Tastes great. Thanks for watching Daddy in the Kitchen. I hope you like this video and you'll try this at home. For more tasty and healthy recipes, please subscribe to Daddy in the Kitchen and click the bell button. Thank you.